Hi, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and the question I'm really going to be looking into today is talking about in the hearing when the judge asks you about, what do you think you know how to do on a computer? You've got a couple options here, but the main one I want to focus on today is, has someone taught you how to use a computer, and are you limited to the point where they have to help you with most computer tasks? So usually the question will come up, well, what do you use the computer for? A lot of people will say, oh, I use it for, emails, I use it for games, I use it for, Facebook, I use it for maybe some word processing, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. What they're really getting at is, do you have the ability to go online and apply for jobs? And do you have the ability to do basic administrative functions through what's called a CMS system, client management system? And they're looking to see if you have the capacity to go ahead and do, file uploads, note uploads, reading things, basic analytical whatevers, to try and figure out what you have the capacity to do. This is important because if they find, the judge believes, that you have the capacity to go ahead and do a lot of these computer functions, then it means that more jobs are available to you because you've had enough training, or you've learned how to do it yourself, or somebody taught you, or blah, blah, blah. You've had enough somewhere to give you the information to go forward and basically be able to do other simple jobs that have simple computer tasks. Okay. So when the question comes up, hey, I have the ability to use a computer because, somebody helps me, you really have to hit home in the trial that this is the name of the person, this is how they help me, this is when they usually help me, this is what they do, blah, 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 blah. You really have to hit home on what your limitations are in the actual hearing, because if you don't do that, then the judge is going to believe that you have the capacity to do all these computer functions all on your own. And I think for a lot of individuals, that's just flat out not true. And I think that what really needs to pop up is that you explain to the hearing office, essentially what your limitations are. All right. My name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm in the car. My voice is a little bit scratchy today because I was over at Fun Spot yesterday, having a bunch of fun on all the rides there. It's kind of like a carnival, whatchamacallit, with, honestly, without all the ridiculous prices, because you buy a $75, year pass and you can ride everything for free, for most things for free. Either way, you have an absolutely wonderful day. I'll catch up with you a little bit later. Remember, by the time you watch this video, maybe old hat, and remember at the same time, if you have a unique question for your unique claim, give me a call. We'll catch up. We'll go through everything, and we'll get you on track. All right? Thanks so much. Bye-bye.